Hey guys, I'm in kind of a rush, so I'm gonna get right into this. Um, I got a screen protector. Oh, that kind of just showed you my address and stuff. Well, that sucks. I'm gonna leave that out. I got a screen protector from Amazon. I mean, I know it's a screen protector and nothing's really special, but people like to see Amazon packaging, so. I got my little knife because it's obviously not a big package. Okay. So I got this little card, like a coupon. It's kind of cool. Alright. And you got the screen protector itself. Now I actually bought two of them, and these are the front and back ones. Yeah. I think the front and back. Yeah, okay. So there's the front and there's the back. I like these because I have a bumper case, and I mean, you want it all to be protected, and they give you a cheap, clean cloth that no one really uses. Alright, well that's it guys. Thanks for watching.